Shush you. No.
Nick and Holt,
Shut up. No. Oh, classic. Rhythm. Right, let's turn that copyright down. That's actually a good tune for today's videos. Yeah, if you guys have been paying attention to my Instagram and my Facebook, you will have seen that I've bought a absolute classic of a car, a retro beast, harping back to the late 90s and early 2000s. If you haven't seen my social media, I'm not going to give it away, so I'll see you in a sec. Here we are at wonderful Carson Performance, Mr. Mersey!
Yo, yo!
Shoving you on that camera. Carson! Nom nom! Nom 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 nom! Mr. Mikey!
Hi.
Mr. Carson!
How you doing, alright?
Mr. Jamie K!
Buongiorno!
Little!
Hello!
Working on more S15s as per usual. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Fight! Right, Sir Scousey, the time has come. Which car is it? Which one of these beauties have I bought? Any second now, Scouse will be returning with the new beast. Take two?
Yeah, we got some life for it.
What's the problem now?
No fuel.
Oh man, it's got no petrol. Shit, man.
No battery, no fuel.
This isn't going very well. Right, we are going to the petrol station. Ah, schoolboy. Take three.
Take three.
Don't worry, I have actually bought a car. We're just struggling to get it started. Lozzie Bear arrives.
Alright, gang.
You've just come up for the grand opening,
Alright.
the grand reveal.
Alright, viewers.
Don't tell them what it is.
Don't tell them what it is.
Yeah,
Alright.
the car I bought.
Oh.
Lo and behold, the new beast. Yeah! That 2-litre Ecotec though.
Beast.
You guys are probably wondering what on earth this is. What is it, Scouse?
Vauxhall Calibra.
For some of you younger viewers, about 20 years ago, this was the pinnacle of car design.
Wow.
Oh, she is a beast. So yeah, this is a 1997 Vauxhall Calibra. They did actually do these in a turbo. Was it C20 LET turbo? Yeah. It was, yeah. First opinions.
I love it. What's not to love? I mean, come on. If you want the bitches, you gotta get one of these. Definitely.
Originally, this was a Vauxhall Calibra 2-litre Ecotec. I'll put a little image down here so you guys can see what it originally looked like. Since then, it has been transformed into the Green Machine. We know it's called the Green Machine because it says it down here. Delta Force body kit is pretty striking. I think from the front you can really get the best sort of perception on how incredibly crazy this car really does look. We've also just spotted it's got some eyebrows as well. What's that bonnet that used to just go right to the end? What do they call that? Bad boy bonnet. So that's basically like a sort of replica bad boy bonnet.
That's like an add-on bad boy bonnet.
The one thing I will say, this car has incredibly small headlights and the eyebrows make them even smaller.
Yeah, yeah.
We've got a set of aero blades. You've literally got spoilers on our wipers. Round the side of the car, the Delta Force kit continues with these pretty mental looking side skirts. The back is very striking.
It's quite noticeable, must
Look
say.
at the back. Oh, look at that. It's not a Ferrari, but if you look at it quickly, we've got afterburner rear lights. Very Ferrari-esque. Is that like a smooth rear panel? What is that?
Yeah, so Lozzie was saying that originally number plate would be up here. Obviously, because you've got the super sick bumper now, you have the recess and you've got it in there, so...
Ah, right.
Yeah, number plate delete.
We've also got twin pipes.
I mean, obviously a striking part of the rear end is these very period oval. I mean, you don't just go for one, you have to have two. Back in the 90s, the more pipes you could have, the better. If you had 8, you're like a king.
And I'm suspecting power flow.
It's probably going to be power flow. They were the guys in the time.
To be fair, someone's actually spent a small fortune
Spent thousands.
converting this car to look like this. What is this? It's even got air diffusers at the back.
It's for aerodynamics, let the air pass through the car.
But we do jest, but this is officially the new Monky London channel car. And we have massive plans ahead. Another very popular mod in the early 2000s was the classic bee sting aerial. Scouse has just got the pièce de résistance.
Yeah, obviously, because of the full potential of this car, you're going to need some sick downforce going around the one-way system. So that
just
has
like
to be
that,
put on.
So I think first things first, we're going to be rear fixing this spoiler. This has also got a full set of neons.
That's literally top priority to get them working.
Guess what colour they are?
Blue. At a guess. At an educated guess, I'm going to go green.
Yes. These are a classic wheel, man. Where are the neons?
Oh, yeah,
they're there. It's got chunky neons, isn't it? Jesus.
Yeah, because these are tubes.
Look
This
at
is
them,
old
it's got
school.
tubes, yeah.
I had them on my Orion.
Oh, it's power flow. No, you can see it on the exhaust.
Is it power flow? Oh, yeah. Yeah, but we have spotted it has actually got a power flow exhaust. Yeah, first things first, we're going to be getting all these green lights working just to make the car fully pimp. But yeah, we've got lots of plans with this car. We want to know what you guys think we should do with it. Should we put a different engine in it? Should we make it worse? Should we add more mods? Should we make it four-wheel drive? Yeah, whatever you think we should do, let us know. I also just found a barbecue dip. How old's that dip? It looks like the new packet, to be fair. How, is it? Where's the 07? Oh, 2007 barbecue dip.
Last day you tweet it.
Yeah, I dated One thing we must say, this car has literally been sitting for 12 years. That's why Scal struggled to get it started for a little bit. She has been sitting for 12 years, so she might need some basic maintenance to begin with. It doesn't have an MOT either, so one of the first ports of call was getting an MOT all sorted. We've got full leathers. Actually quite a posh interior in this. Where's the headlining?
There. In pieces.
Well, so another job we got to do is put the headlining back on. It's got a sunroof as well, sunroof model, very posh. Leathers are actually in quite nice nick, to be fair.
Yeah, it's only got a small amount of mould. Not bad.
Should we have a quick look at the power plant?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, the beast. It's got a Bosch battery. Sign of qualities.
Very new.
So yeah, this is the 2-litre Ecotec we were talking about. 137? Six horsepower of pure evilness. We can potentially keep this engine. It is pretty gutless, and they are a bit chocolate, aren't they, Loz? They don't take well to boosting, I don't think. But there is the option of obviously turboing this engine. We would probably consider changing the lump, but we want to know what you guys think we should do. We're going to do what you want us to do. Oh, have you spotted this, Scouse? It's got the classic Clifford alarm.
Of course, the only alarm to have.
The only alarm that you literally could not turn off when it went off. Oh, look at this. Look, proper old school. Club Vauxhall. ClubVauxhall.net. Friendly forums. 200 plus members. Regular meets. Richbrook tax this colder. Sick. Halfords. The tyre on this side was a little bit flat, so Scousey is just going to pump her up. And then we're going to do a huge burnout. There goes a spoiler.
Handbrake got stuck.
just found? Oh, we've got the full mod list. Oh my God. This is timeless. Look what I just found. Laminated sheets.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Calibra.net.
Right, let's go through it. We've got the full spec list, everybody.
You can only look at it through the windscreen.
Right. So what we got? F18 5-speed gearbox, Vauxhall clutch. This isn't a mod list, this is just a factory spec. Suspension, Vauxhall shocks and springs. So it's stock shocks and springs, so that's definitely got to change. Wheels and tyres, 17-inch Wolf race. Right.
Gangster.
So this is what we probably didn't realise. Hang on a sec, is this not a Delta kit then? It says it's a full Evo body kit. Or did Delta make an Evo?
Delta made an Evo kit, but that's not an Evo bumper, because you could get a Mark IV Escort and make it look like an Evo.
Well, anyway, that is wherever it is. So we got a full Evo body kit, Evo spoiler, bonnet extension, which I guess is the
Light,
eyebrows. Afterburner rear lights, we're right with that. Number plate flushing panel, tinted windows, colour coded bump strips, colour coded D-locked handles, ICE LED scanner in grille. What is that?
That's got to be like. Look,
What is that? That sounds like Knight Rider. I think it's Knight
Have a
Rider.
look at that.
It's got Knight Rider mode. Clear side repeaters. Finished in Rio Verde. Here's the important stats, everybody. We got performance. So BHP, you were 3 horsepower outlaws.
Oh, that'd be the exhaust then.
134 at 5,600 RPM.
Service.
137 foot-pounds of torque. 0 to 60 in 8.4 seconds. Wow.
I think that's optimistic.
So this
For that
this is now a goal for what we have to beat. We got to make it do 0 to 60 in less than 8.4 seconds
Yeah,
now.
so I think next episode we'll try and get it a bit more roadworthy, and then episode 3, 0 to 60. We've got to beat this time here, 8.4 seconds. So that is the next quest.
Well, we're going to try and beat it by like 20%.
I think to start with, can we match the time, and then we've got to beat the time.
Yeah.
So that's the record attempt. Can we match the original 0 to 60 of 8.4 seconds? We have finished, everyone.
Looks good.
Yeah, right. The finished article. Looking 10 times nicer than it did before, to be fair. What do you think, Scouse? Stop picking out scratches.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, mate.
This might have been someone that was jealous at a car show, to be fair. Definitely needs more horsepower, man. It's certainly lacking in the performance department. This is why we're here. We're going to make this thing a bit quicker. Anyway, we're going to wrap this video up here. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I hope you're going to enjoy the lovely new member to the ML family, and we look forward to seeing you soon.